Solid wires are limited in use by composition. Unlike MMA consumables, where alloy variation can be made in changes to the flux coating, the composition of solid wires is fixed. In the past, this problem restricted the use of GMAW welding. With GMAW equipment, flux cord wires are becoming increasingly popular for welding ferrous metals, as they can combine the productivity of continuous welding with the metallurgical benefits derived from using a flux. Flux cord arc welding offers two major process variations that differ in the method used to shield the arc and weld pool from atmospheric contamination, namely oxygen and nitrogen. One type, self-shielded, protects the molten metal to some extent through the decomposition and vaporization of the flux core by the heat of the arc. Now the other type, gas-shielded, makes use of a protective gas flow in addition to the flux core action to shield the arc and weld pool. With both methods, the electrode core material provides a relatively thin slag covering to protect the solidifying weld metal. The self-shielded method is used with long electrode extensions, say 20 to 95 mm, which tend to produce shallow weld beads, whereas the gas-shielded method, with electrode extensions between 19 and 38 mm, is suited to the production of narrow, deeply penetrating welds. The process may be used to weld plain carbon and low-alloy steels and stainless steels. Cord wires may contain proportions of metal powder to improve deposition rates. Such wires may be argon 20% CO2 gas-shielded, with the electrode DC negative to give a smooth arc with little spatter. Cord wires of all types can usually be applied to welding in all positions.